Good day, sir. I am Jonalyn Santillan from UMS 11A, and we are the Group 4. Our topic is sustaining an ICT project for social change. The next challenge to your website is how to sustain and maintain. Sustaining a website is updating content and maintaining traffic to an ICT project for social change. Yung pag What is an ICT project for social change? An ICT or Information and Communication Technology project for social change is technology-based initiative designed to address social issues and improve people's lives. Yung atin daw po ang ICT project for social change ay dinesign para i-address po ang mga social issues at ma-improve ang mga buhay ng bawat tao. Then, this project uses digital tools such as websites, mobile apps, social media platforms, and online campaigns na magkikreate ng positive change in our society. At ang mga websites po at mobile apps natin ngayon, social media platforms ay mas updated na po sa generation natin ngayon. So, what is sustaining? Sustaining is the act of maintaining, supporting, or prolonging something over time. It means ensuring that something continues to exist, function, or thrive without its interruption. Yung sustaining po natin dito ay ang pagpapanatili na updated ang mga content at ang pag-maintain po ng traffic to an ICT project for social change. Here, we will learn some techniques on how to keep our website updated. These are the important tips on keeping your site updated to improve traffic. And papakita po namin sa inyo, ipapaliwanag ang mga techniques at tips na maaari nating gamitin para tuloy-tuloy at updated ang ating sites na at walang interruption, and this also help to improve traffic for our ICT project.
Number 1. Update contents regularly. Add new contents to your website every few days. Always remember that contents are more important in design. So make sure to add articles, press releases, or simply new design. So make sure to add articles, press releases, or simply new portfolio items. It adds freshness to your site and attracts new visitors who may be interested. Furthermore, people who previously visited you and like your site are more likely to come back for more. So dito, yung title niya, update contents regularly. So ano nga bang ibig sabihin nito? So ibig sabihin nito na palagi daw natin i-update yung nilalaman na ating portfolio o kung ano bang nilalaman nito na palagi nating pagandahin. Syempre bakit nga ba natin kailangan pagandahin? Syempre para mas maingganyo yung makakakita nito at maintindihan nila ng mabuti. So dito, add new contents to your website every few days. Always remember that contents are more important in design. So sinasabi dito na ang contents daw ang pinaka-importante kaysa sa design. Bakit nga ba? Syempre, 'di ba, maganda nga yung design mo pero yung nilalaman naman ng portfolio mo pangit. O anong nun? Di mas maganda kung mas maganda yung nilalaman kaysa sa design. Mas maganda yung contents kaysa sa design. So dapat dito ay important daw yung contents kaysa sa design. So make sure to add articles, press releases, or simple new portfolio items. So sinasabi dito na kaya siguraduhin magdagdag ng mga artikulo, press release, or simpleng mga bagong portfolio items. Sinasabi dito na mas maganda daw na magdagdag ng mga artikulo o press releases. Siyempre para sabi ko katulad kanina na mas maganda at mas magugustuhan ito ng mga bumibisita sa website mo para mas magustuhan nila yung ginagawa mong portfolio items. It adds freshness to your site and attracts new visitors who may be interested. Furthermore, People who previously visited you and like your site are more likely to come back for more. So dito, ang sabi dito na, kaya dapat natin i-update yung contents o yung nilalaman natin ng ating portfolio para mas magugustuhan daw, para ma-attract daw yung mga bagong visitors and para bumalik yung mga dating nag-visit na sa yung site. Yun lang. Thank you.
Be interactive, responding to inquiries, questions, or simple comments directly at you make your regular visitors more aware. It will also make you appear more active and in motion, as opposed to leaving your site abandoned. So basically, being interactive on your website, simply you're basically promoting interactions with your users rather than a traditional website that is more of an information provider with a basic choice like click or learn more. Ang pagiging interact po natin po sa website po natin, nag-encourage po tayo ng communication at engagement po with our visitors through the use of responding to their inquiries, questions, or simple comments directly at you. At ang mga regular visitors rin po natin, magiging aware po sila at magiging active po at in motion po tayo sa website po natin po.
These is one of the most important tips and examples to keep your site updated and traffic. Link to social networks. Post frequently on social networks as well. Linking your content updates, celebrating completed project, or simply linking to interesting articles from time to time is a great way to generate activity. You can take advantage of it to remind people of your site, and then increasing your web traffic by having returning visitors. I have an example link here is the hyperlink to social media profiles. In a digital or ICT project, this refers to adding clickable links that direct users to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or others. These links are often used in websites, emails, or online campaigns to improve engagement and visibility. However, on the other hand, monitoring is as vital as updating our websites. We cannot stay 24/7 just to monitor how well the website is. Free services do it for us. These are examples of free services you can use to monitor your websites.
The first example of a free services we can use to monitor our website is the Uptime Robot. So what is Uptime Robot? Uptime Robot is a tool that checks if a website, server, or online service is working. It monitors sites every few minutes and alerts you if they go offline via emails or SMS. This also looks at your site header status and codes every 5 minutes. And if the code comes back with a problem, doesn't further checks, then if there are still issues, it lets you know about it pronto. For instance, school website, it notifies the IT team if the site goes down. Second, online business ensures a shop stays available for customers. Third, gaming service alerts you if your Minecraft server crashes. The last, personal blog helps influencers keep their site online. It's useful for keeping website running smoothly without interruptions.
So, good. Hello, sir. This is my reporting for ETIC. And this is my lesson for today. Lesson 4. My topic for today is Pindot. And I'm going to start na po. Babasahin ko po muna. And I'm going to explain it. So, I'm going to start now and thank you. Pindot. This comes a free iPhone app. Gives you a handy go situation for monitoring your website's status, the free service only. Lets you monitor one site. So, what is Pindom? Pindom, Pindom, owned by Solar Winds. Pindom is a website monitoring and processing of computational and and processing optimization tool. It allows user to monitor the uptime, availability, and processing of websites, survey servers, and online services from various locations globally. So, yun lang po, sir. Sorry kung medyo may na ano lang po, sir. Medyo nalilito lang po. Medyo nawawala po sa isip ko. So, yun lang po. And thank you.
Number 3. Monitor Us. This is the free little sister service to Monitis and offers a simple setup for its external monitoring as well as alerts. The app tracks failures and logs a report of the uptime downtown of your website per day, week, or month and makes the report available to you in real time. So ano nga ba ang Monitor Us? Ito ay isang cloud-based website na pwedeng i-track ng user ang status at performance ng kanyang website. Isa sa mga ino-offer nito ang website monitoring. Performance monitoring. Ina-analyze ang bilis ng website o ang website speed. Pangatlo, error tracking. Nagre-report ng errors at crashes ng website. Alerting notifications. Nagsisend ng alert notification pag nagkakaroon ng issue yung isang website.
InternetSeer claims to be the largest website monitoring service, currently working for over 1.7 million sites worldwide. While it's been in the receiving end of some criticism for excessive email marketing, in addition to the ability to set up alerts to go to multiple contacts, the service generates a free weekly report. Yung InternetSeer daw yung pinakamalaking website monitoring service na may 1.7 na nagtatrabaho para sa 1.7 million sites sa buong mundo.
Uptrends. This is more suited to those who wants to make uptime into readily available to their users rather than alert-based service. Once you embed the button on your site, Uptrends monitors uptime your website every 30 minutes from worldwide checkpoints. Click the button will generate an uptime reports of the at least 24 hours, last 7 days, month, and year. Ang Uptrends daw po ay isang tool na nag-monitor ng uptime ng isang website. Ibig sabihin, chinecheck nito kung online at gumagana ang site mo. Hindi ito alert-based kaya makakatanggap ng notification kapag nag-down site mo. Pero pwede pong ipakita ng user ang uptime status gamit ang button na i-add mo sa website mo. Halimbawa, kung may online store ka, pwede mong gamitin ang Uptrends para ipakita sa customer mo na 99.99% ang uptime ng site mo sa nakaraang buwan. Kapag clinic po nila ang button, may kita nila ang uptime reports sa loob ng 24 hours, 7 days o isang buwan po.